Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have some leaked pets to look at, along with sort of a leaked update, and also something to do with the Puppet Master armor that is not yet in the game, the Puppet Master Reborn armor, so let's go ahead and look at those. So here is the first pet that we are going to be looking at. This is like an ice version of Comedy, I believe. It does look pretty weird in my opinion. The coloring just looks a little weird. Here is its spine. We also have this pet. I don't know if this is supposed to be part of the Regalaxy chain, like they're gonna add another pet into, or another evolution before Regalaxy, but this is the second evolution in this chain. And then here is the spine for it. And then finally we have this Regalaxy one right here. This one looks pretty cool. Here is the spine for it. Now this next thing is called Rarity Level FX, which I believe FX means effects. So I'm not really sure where this is going to be used. Maybe when you're like catching pets or something like that. So we have these stars. This one I believe is supposed to be for rare. This one should be for uncommon. This one should be for heroic, and this one should be for legendary. And then this next thing is called UI Pet Capture. So I think this will pop up when you're trying to catch a pet. We can see right here there is this pet merge icon, which is pretty interesting. We really don't know what pet merge is going to be used for, and I don't really know what pet merge would have to do with catching pets. And then the final thing that we have to look at is in the metadata. So the Puppet Master 2 placeholder boots have been renamed to Boots of Unknown Origin. What am I looking at? Okay, so, and its description got updated to be, these boots still haven't found their true master. So I don't really know what that means. Its speed was updated to 1. I assume that it's going to be higher when it releases, because they could just be doing this so like people aren't using this to get an unfair advantage. We also have Hat of Unknown Origin, which has the exact same description besides for this hat instead of this boot. And then its health was updated to 1. This is the exact same for the outfits. It was updated to be a defensive 1. And then we have the Wand of Unknown Origin. Its description was updated and its power was updated to 1. So that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Sorry if I sound kind of weird. I have the flu right now, and to me at least I sound very weird. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.